Oh, hello loves, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Clara and this is Sophisticated Country. Here we talk about style, makeup, confidence, and feeling amazing at any size or age. It's been a whole minute since I have been here to talk to you guys, and today's video is going to be a little bit different. Oh, and yes, I got a haircut. I haven't cut my hair in probably 5 years, and I decided on a whim that I was going to change some things up, which I've been doing a lot lately all across the board in my life. I've just been changing some things up. So I love it. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. Be nice. Just be nice. Today we are going to dive right into the basics of fashion for mid-sized women over the age of 50. You know, us ladies that want to look modern and chic without looking too old or too young, if that's a thing. We're just looking for what is right for us. We're going to talk about spring trends for 2025, fit tips, and how to feel absolutely fabulous in what we wear today. So if that is something that interests you, stick around. We're going to talk about it. And you know, here, before we jump into talking about clothes, we have to first talk about mindset. Yes, mindset. We have to be of the mindset that age and size are not limits. They are assets. We are of an age where we know what we want, we know how we want it, we also know what we don't want, and we know exactly how we want to show up in the world. Those are amazing things. And if you are a mid-sized girly like me, from the size 10-ish to 16-ish, you and I are in the sweet spot for so many amazing styles. Let's jump right into it. Here are some spring fashion trends for 2025 that will work for you. We're just going to translate them into our own style. So number one, soft florals and watercolor prints. Florals are huge this spring, but they've gone dreamy. So you want to think watercolors, flowy, romantic. You want to look for soft blouses and midi dresses with gentle prints. Nothing too crazy and busy. Number two, relaxed tailoring. You want to say goodbye to stiff suits and hello to soft structures. So you want to look for blazers with a little bit of shape, wide leg trousers with a little bit of stretch, because it's all about the ease and polish this year. Number three is all about earthy pastels and fresh greens. Instead of bright neon colors, this spring we're looking for muted colors like soft sage, a dusty mauve, and buttery yellow is extremely popular this year. They look amazing on mature skin and they pair beautifully with neutrals. Number four, statement flats and comfy shoes. Comfort is king. We all know I am all about the comfort. Again, comfort is king, but it is now chic. You want to look for embellished flats, loafers with personality, edgy sandals, and of course, you want to find a really cool pair of tennies. Actually, you could probably find 2 or 3 pairs of really cool, comfortable tennies. That's my jam. That's my jam. You know I'm all about the tenny. Number 5, mixed textures. Combining linens, knits, and cotton adds depth and dimension to your outfit. Try layering a lightweight knit over a slip dress, or mix a cotton blouse over a flowy skirt. Dressing the mid-size body. Now let's talk fit and silhouette, because what flatters is all in the cut. Number 1, highlight your waist. Not everyone likes a tight waist, but defining it with, let's say, a belt or a half tuck, that helps balance your frame. Number 2, structured shoulders and flowy bottoms. A little shoulder structure adds polish. Pair that with a flowy pant or an A-line skirt, and that look is absolutely timeless. Number 3, avoid boxy overload. Loose can be lovely. Too much can be frumpy. And you know, We don't like frumpy. Balance is key. If one piece is flowy, you want to make sure that the other piece is more tailored. Number 4, don't fear a tailor. Seriously, a $10 nip can make a $30 dress look like $1,000,000. You know, we want to style without looking too young or too old. This is the sweet spot. You don't want to look like you're borrowing clothes from your mom, and you don't want to look like you're borrowing clothes from your daughter, although they both may have absolutely fabulous style. Here, you want to skip the overly trendy details. Things like super crop tops, really distressed and ripped up jeans. Maybe pass on those and get yourself a little cropped denim jacket or slightly frayed jeans. Those are totally in. You want to focus on the modern classics, like a wrap dress, wide leg jeans, white t-shirt, blazer. Blazers are my absolute favorite of all time. These are timeless, but updated with this season's color and some accessories, perfection. And that leads us right into the next one. Use accessories to update. You want to think oversized sunglasses, chunky necklace, a cross bag in, let's say, one of the season's colors, sage green. These say modern woman without being dated. And have you guys heard of building a capsule? That's actually what I'm in the process of doing right now. So you want to build a spring capsule. All that means is pulling basic pieces that you can mix and match and make different outfits with. So suggested basics would be a midi dress with a soft print, wide leg pants in a neutral color, a button-down blouse in white or a spring color. These are timeless. A lightweight knit top, a tailored blazer, my favorite. You want 2 pairs of stylish, comfy shoes, and statement earrings and necklace. Jewelry is amazing to update outfits. So with these pieces, you can mix and match for weeks without getting bored. And remember, style has nothing to do with how much you spent on the clothes or what name is on the clothes. It's about how the clothing makes you feel when you leave the house. When you're leaving the house, you should feel like $1,000,000, whether it's something that's been in your closet for years or it's something that you picked up from Goodwill for $6.99. So just remember, style is about how your clothes make you feel, and your clothes should make you feel like $1,000,000, regardless of how much it cost you. All right, loves, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and smash that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments, what is your favorite go-to spring outfit, and what do you struggle with the most when getting dressed? Always remember, guys, just how blessed you are and not how stressed you are. I know, easier said than done, but it can be done, and we should really be looking at all those amazing, wonderful blessings that we have all around us. Until next time, guys, stay stylish, stay confident, and wear whatever makes you happy. I'll catch you in the next one, guys. Bye for now.